Hey, everyone want to speak English like a pro without packing your bags for New York or cramming textbooks all night. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country or have a native speaker on speed dial. I'm Alex, your guide on English Stories with Alex, a YouTube channel all about making English fun, easy, and part of your everyday life. Today, we're jumping into 5 super simple ways to practice English daily. No matter how crazy your schedule is, let's make English feel like a breeze starting right now. The power of shadowing. Let's kick things off with something that'll grab your attention. Shadowing. It's a fun, powerful trick to level up your speaking and listening skills at the same time. Picture this. You listen to someone speaking English like me and you repeat exactly what they say, word for word, no pausing to think, no translating in your head. Just mimic the sounds like you're their echo. You copy their speed, their tone, even their rhythm. It's simple but works like magic. Let's give it a try together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Ready. I want to speak English fluently. I practice English every single day. Shadowing helps me sound natural. Awesome job. I know it feels a bit strange at first. You might not catch every word, and that's totally fine. Shadowing isn't about understanding everything. It's about training your brain and mouth to work as a team in English. It helps you get comfy with how English sounds, its flow, its vibe, how it feels when you say it. Try this for just 5 minutes a day, and you'll notice your speaking getting faster, clearer, and more confident. It's a tiny habit with huge payoffs. Why daily practice matters. I hear it all the time, Alex. I want to learn English, but I'm swamped. I get nervous when I speak. I don't even know where to begin. Trust me, I get it. Life's busy, and speaking a new language can feel scary. But here's the good news. You don't need hours of free time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. All you need are small, smart steps that fit into your real-life steps you can repeat every day, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. These steps are designed to be easy. They're meant to feel natural, not like homework. They'll help you feel more comfortable, more confident, and more like yourself when you speak English. So, let's dive into 5 practical ways to make English a daily habit, no matter where you are or how packed your day is. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. First up, the most important step. Listen to English every single day. If you want to speak better, you've got to listen more. Listening trains your ears to pick up new words. It helps you catch the natural rhythm of English. It gets you used to how real people talk, not just the stiff English in textbooks. And the best part? You don't need to understand 100% of what you hear. Even if you catch just 30 or 50, it's still helping your brain soak up the language. So, how do you do it? It's super easy. Pop on a podcast like this one while you're getting ready in the morning. Play some English music during your commute. Watch YouTube videos about stuff you love cooking, travel, gaming, whatever. You can even listen to short stories or news clips made for English learners. The key is to make it part of your routine. Listen while you're walking, cooking, cleaning, exercising, or chilling out. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a big difference. Think of English as your background music. Let it play around you, and your brain will start picking up new sounds and words without you even trying. It's like learning while you live your life. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, it's time to get your voice in on the action. Listening is awesome, but speaking is where the real growth happens. That's where shadowing comes back in. After you hear a sentence or a short clip, repeat it out loud. Try to match the speaker's tone, speed, and rhythm. It's like copying a singer's melody, but with words. Let's practice again. Repeat after me. I'm getting better at English every day. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to try. I'm improving little by little. See how fun that is. Do this every day. Pick a podcast, a video, or even a song lyric. Repeat the same sentences a few times. You'll notice your pronunciation getting sharper. Your words will flow smoother. And most importantly, you'll feel braver about speaking. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be practiced. Shadowing is your secret weapon to sounding more natural. Tip 3. Think in English. Here's a big one. Start thinking in English. I know, it sounds tough. When you're used to thinking in your native language, your brain wants to translate everything. But translating takes time, and it slows you down. The goal is to let English flow straight from your mind. No middleman needed. How do you start? Keep it simple. Try short. Easy thoughts throughout your day. When you wake up, think it's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. When you're outside, think. The sky is blue. It's chilly. There's a dog. During your day, think I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. These are small, but they train your brain to connect directly to English. At first, it'll feel slow. That's normal. Keep practicing, and it'll get easier. Once you're comfy thinking in English, try saying those thoughts out loud. Whisper them or speak softly to yourself. It's like having a mini conversation in your head, and it's a huge step toward fluency. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading is great, but reading aloud is even better. It's like a gym session for your speaking muscles, your mouth, tongue, and brain all get a workout. Grab something simple to read a kid's book, a short story for beginners, or even a script from a video or podcast. Read it slowly and clearly, then read it again, a bit faster, then one more time, with some personality, like you're acting in a movie. This helps your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. It's like practicing a sport. The more you do it, the better you get. Try it for a few minutes each day. Pick a fun text that you enjoy, and let your voice bring it to life. You'll be amazed at how much stronger your speaking feels. Tip 5. Live with English. Here's the biggest tip of all. Don't just study English live with it. Make it part of your everyday world, like your morning coffee or your favorite app. When English is all around you, it stops feeling like a school subject and starts feeling like a natural part of who you are. Here are some easy ways to weave English into your life. Even if you're super busy, switch your phone to English. You check your phone a zillion times a day, right? So let it teach you. When your phone's in English, you'll see words like settings, brightness, delete, or download all the time. You don't need to memorize them. Your brain will learn them just by seeing them over and over. It's like free, passive learning. Write a short diary. Every night, write 3 quick sentences about your day. For example, today was hectic. I went to work. I drank 2 cups of tea. Or, it rained all day. I stayed home. I watched a funny video. It takes 5 minutes, but it helps you build sentences and use real words from your life. Write in a notebook or on your phone. Bonus points, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Record a 1-minute voice message. At the end of your day, Open your phone and talk for 60 seconds. Say what you did, how you felt, or what you learned. For example, today was busy. I had a meeting. I cooked dinner. I watched an English clip. It's okay if you mess up, no one else has to hear it. When you listen back, you'll notice your pronunciation or grammar mistakes. It's like being your own teacher, and it builds confidence fast. Join an online English group. You don't need a classroom to connect with other learners. Find a WhatsApp group, a Telegram channel, or a site like Tandem. Write short messages, send voice notes, ask questions. Even just reading what others write helps you learn. It makes English feel alive, like a way to connect with people, not just a study task. Watch short videos. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are gold mines for quick English clips. Pick videos about stuff you like: travel, food, pets, anything. Watch a 20-second clip 2 or 3 times. Pause and repeat the sentences you hear. Copy the speaker's tone and speed. It's a fun, easy way to learn how English is really spoken. Turn small moments into English practice. Here's the secret to fluency: make English part of your life's little moments. Instead of saying good morning in your native language, say it in English. Instead of writing your to-do list in your mother tongue, try English. Instead of watching 5 minutes of TV in your own language, watch a quick English video. These tiny changes add up. When you live with English on your phone, in your thoughts, through your voice, it stops feeling like work. It becomes part of who you are. And that's when you start speaking with real confidence, ease, and joy. Wow. We covered a lot today. Thanks for hanging out with me on English Stories with Alex. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend who's learning English. Let's build a community where we all grow together, one story at a time. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep shining.